What's going on, guys? Blake Hawthorn, Itshisturf, and in today's video, it's gonna be something a little bit different. And so we are doing a leaf cleanup. Crew's back here behind me getting filled up. The leaf truck's in here ready to roll. But this is a property that we've maintained for about 12 years now. And actually for the homeowners before, the ones that actually currently live here. And usually we just come out here, I look at it, I send them an email and they say, hey, yay or nay. And that's kind of how it happens. But what we do each morning is we have a devotional, and we actually, in that devotional, we talk about praying, about being sensitive to the Spirit, and that God will, you know, give us opportunities to love His people. And so I really felt the heavy conviction as I was coming up to look at this property, and I thought that I just kind of needed to knock on the door. It didn't look like anybody was home. And so as the conviction kind of grew heavier and heavier, I went and knocked on the door and got to speak with this lady. Found out that her husband had actually just passed away, and they've kind of fallen on some hard times. And so instantly my heart went to, we need to do something to help her out. And we started talking about it, and as I was giving her a price, I just felt that heavy conviction. And so as I was going to give that to her, I could kind of see the reaction. I could tell, and so I said, you know what, we're gonna do this one for free. I said, we'll come out, take care of the property, don't worry about it this year, use that for your family, use that for Christmas. You know, don't worry about taking care of us. Y'all have always been good to us. We want to do this for you. And so it's neat to be able to kind of share that with them and bless them with that treat and of getting this yard cleaned up. And so it's a little bit different. We are going to blow them to the front. We are going to get them all sucked up. But a majority of the back, we always take back to this common area between it and the golf course, and we mulch them up. And so you'll see a little bit of that as well. But guys, I just wanted to thank you, one, for y'all's support that continues to allow us to do things like this. And two, I just want to challenge you to be sensitive to the Spirit, and that you would allow God to use you in ways that you typically wouldn't be used. And so something as simple as, you know, just being able to pray over somebody and be able to figure out their needs, or see an opportunity to use your blessings, your strengths to love them well. So guys, thank you so much. Let's get to work. It's going to be a good one. right, guys, so I told you tonight's video was gonna be a little bit different, and I didn't lie. We're gonna push them up on a tarp, try to get the rest on the trailer, all because the big truck is full. So my dad and Steve are headed back to go get that thing unloaded. We're gonna get this finished up. But guys, thank you so much for your support. I really do appreciate it. It's awesome that we're just able to come out here and to love on people, and just as the scripture says, to love the widows and the orphans. I feel like we are being his hands and feet and doing that today. So thank you guys so much. If you like today's video, leave a comment down below, and we're gonna go get it done. No, I'm not sure.
Okay.
Ever said if it doesn't work, he'll clean it up himself. That's what he said.
Hang on a second. You're too short.
Hey, do we need another guy right there, or Francisco gonna grab it? All right. Don't let the burrito flow. Where'd Francisco go? No mas, Francisco. Hey. Okay, there he is. Hey, just leave it. Leave it. We'll put a tarp on, or a strap on it.